Welcome back, Breeze Heat fam. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can see the next post. But today we're going to be doing two different foil packet recipes, and the first one is going to be a garlic herb steak and potatoes. Man, yes, all of this was made in the oven within 30 minutes. All the ingredients as well as seasoning and measurements will be listed below as always. But to just get started, we're going to go ahead and start with this garlic herb butter. This butter is so good, y'all. So you take some butter. I did about 2 tablespoons of butter. This was just going to be for one person. Some dried herbs. I have some parsley, dried basil, as well as some Italian seasoning. That parsley was fresh. You can use fresh or dry, whichever you prefer. I added some garlic into there as well. So go ahead and get that in there. Mix it on together, and what you're going to do is put it to the side and let it chill while you prepare your steak and potatoes. So in a bowl, you're going to take your potatoes as well as your steak, and you're going to combine them together. And you're going to put some olive oil as well as some garlic powder. I used some garlic salt. I used some salt, pepper, some Chicago steak seasoning, all of that real good. Like I said, all the measurements will be listed below. I think that was about 1 teaspoon, and I also poured the rest of my garlic cloves into there as well. Once you got all your seasonings on there, you're going to go ahead and mix it up really well. Make sure that each piece of potato, each piece of steak is well seasoned. And then you grab your aluminum foil. Oven should be on preheated to 425. So you go ahead and put that all on there. There was some extra garlic in the bowl, so I went ahead and put that on there as well off camera. But you're going to do that and then put your garlic herb butter on top. If you got some extra, go ahead and save it for later, because that's what I did. So what you're going to do is put this in the oven for 45 minutes on 425, and once it's done, this is what it looks like. You see how the butter just melted all into, y'all, this was so good. That butter is top 2, and I swear it's not 2. But this is ultimately what it looks like in the end. I love this meal because it's really quick and easy. If you thought the last one was good, look at this. I made all of this inside of the oven in 30 minutes, just like I did for the foil packet. So let's go ahead and get started. All ingredients, once again, will be listed below. What I did is go ahead and boil my potatoes for 15 minutes before I started off everything. So while my potatoes are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and season everything. So you take everything, put it in the same bowl, put all of your seasonings on there, make sure that it's really well seasoned, and make sure you leave some of your seasoning on the side as well for those potatoes. Add in 2 cloves of freshly chopped garlic, and you're going to go ahead and mix everything, and don't be like, oh my God, her hands ashy. I know. Maybe I wanted them like that. You never know. But anyway, go ahead and mix up everything together and make sure that you are getting everything pretty much very seasoned. Bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. Your potatoes should be mostly done by this point. So when you put them in the oven, they're just kind of finishing off with everything else. And bone apple tea. Man, y'all. This is so good. If you wanted to do like a quick shrimp boil, but you don't have the time to do all that stuff, just throw this in the oven for literally 25 minutes. And look at that. Do you see the steam coming off of there? And go ahead and add that garlic herb butter on there as well, because we didn't forget about you. Yes, we placed it on the side for later. Melt it on there, put it on there. Or if you want, you can make a nice seafood boil sauce to go with it as well. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in so much. If you haven't already, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video, comment, share, try it out. I would love to see you guys do any of these recipes. Tag me on Instagram if you guys try it. My Instagram is also Breeze Heat. Thank you guys for watching.